What's up, guys? You're here with Just Living, Adam and Amanda. There's Amanda. She's chilling. So we're in the Hard Rock Cafe, Hotel and Resort. And we're kind of lost. So we're packing our luggage. And you're carrying a camper, you really don't know where you're going. So we're trying to figure it out. We're walking through the casino carrying our luggage. We look kind of retarded. But I think we're going to find it. Yeah, I think we're going to find it. Alright, we'll get back with you. Good thing, baby. Oh, shit. Yeah. We just gotta go home. We need to find our way through here. So where are we gonna go? Where are we going? You know where we're going? So huh? You know where we're going? Well, we need to get out of here. We need to find our room. We're in the casino park packing luggage. Alright, over here some stairs. Looking for the 66. Check it out, the cafe's closed. Use for the pole. What's up, man? Check out those guitars. Alright, let's see. I guess we need to check in over here. You been there before? Yeah. Hey, we found it. It was a little ways off of it.
Well, just a day full of stuff.
Yeah, it was a little ways off. It's nice though. And this where we check in? It's pretty fancy. We're about to get it. Yeah. It's nice. That's right, guys. So it's Just Living, Adam and Amanda. And we finally found the hotel part. This place is huge. Alright, baby. This place huge?
It is.
Huge? Yeah. What's up, guys? Just Living, Adam and Amanda. I'm Adam. There's Amanda, walking away as usual. So let's start out here since it's the first one. It's the bathroom. Kind of simple. We didn't pay for the high class stuff today. This one's, as you can see, it's kind of cool. It's cool. It's cool. It's $130 a night, so that'll work for me. But we're in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We was passing by and we was getting a little sleepy. We've been driving all day, so we're kind of tired. But we never stayed at Hard Rock before, and we was like, you know what? There's a Hard Rock casino and hotel, so we figured we'd just crash out here tonight. And Amanda was super pumped. Look at her, how pumped she is. She's so pumped.
It was so lit up. It was calling our name.
It was. Hey, listen, guys. y'all gonna come down this way, stop off in Tulsa, Oklahoma, check it out because it is pretty nice. It's a big outfit though. Let me tell you, for real. We shot some footage there on our way through, but we walked forever across the parking lot, got down inside the building, and we ended up coming in on the casino side. We walked like a long way. Amanda's laughing. She thought it was funny. We was walking through the casino. I'm carrying her bag. I look all sparkly and perfect.
You gotta have some glitter in your life. Come
And
on.
she's trying to fix her eye because she
rubbed it,
and now she's got COVID eye. No, she really don't have COVID eye. What did you do?
I don't know. I got something in my eye and it started burning, so I was rubbing it. I probably do have COVID eye now.
Always one stay at the Hard Rock, and now here we are. And now you got the COVID eye.
It says that they deep clean the place, so hopefully we're good.
No, we're good. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty nice.
What are all these buttons for?
I still think we should go to Honeymoon Suite. Gosh, you're a tightwad.
Stop.
It's it's a lot of lights for one little room. Look, that shooting footage. I got my hat all jacked up in the air. It's like I look like a modern day goofy Robin Hood or something. No, that's Jackie Chan. You good? You good?
Well, I figure I better wash my hands now that I've already rubbed my eye.
Okay. It's a good time to wash them after. It always works out. I don't know. But anyways, this is our room, guys. Amanda's always doing something crazy.
Guitars on the pillows.
There's what?
Guitars on the pillows.
Well, let's go look. Check it out. Is this like as bright as this room gets? It's like a dim player's room or something. There is guitars on the pillows. Think they'll let me take one home? Probably not. Did you point everything out? You didn't point out everything. You gotta point out everything. Oh, we'll get a safe. You go downstairs and
And you
hit.
got a big mirror so you can see all your outfit.
Yeah, because that's
You're...
that's horrible. Look how dirty that is.
Well, they said they deep cleaned it.
They said they cleaned it. Okay. Check off for the dirty mirror. They wasn't expecting me to do they wasn't expecting me to do a hotel reveal, was they? But anyways, yeah, to look past the mirror, the rest of us clean. We done checked it. But get the cool coffee maker. It says Hard Rock right there. And you walk into this cool music. See, there it is. Hard Rock Hotel and Casino in Tulsa. Tulsa. Whatever, honey. And you get this. You get the cool Hard Rock coffee cup. Get the pods. Oh, yes. I found a switch that does something else cool. Listen, y'all probably making fun. You're like, this guy's retarded. But seriously, I'm just a poor old country boy. I'm just old Kentucky boy. And I've worked my hind end off my entire life, so I ain't had time to get out and play, and we're just enjoying it. We living. And it is fun. So I like messing with stuff when I come in here. Like, I don't know what this switch does, but I don't know, maybe it's a clapper.
Why are you picking at the wall?
I think it's a clapper. Gotta be a clapper. Check it out. I found some more lights. It's back there on the wall.
Well, clap. No, it's not.
No, you gotta clap louder. Go over next to it and clap.
I don't know what that is.
Clap. It's a clapper.
You don't even know what it is.
Why would you throw a pin at it and you know what it is? It's a clapper. Go over and clap on it. You're probably like calling 911 or something.
Did you not push the button? Were you scared?
No. I wanted to see what was behind this too, but it's locked up.
Really? It's probably something like that. It's heat and air. There's a vents.
I know, but I'm just curious. I'm nosy. You can't take a boy out of Kentucky and expect put him in a place like this and expect him not to roam. Alright, guys, we're gonna chill out for a little while.
Turn the TV off?
No, you did. Oh, look here, it's even got a timer. It like tells you when to go to bed. It's above my pay grade. Look, you even got like little cool. Well, how do you work these? Really? Oh, it's got a switch. I'm retarded. Cool. It's like a spotlight for when you wake up. So if you don't wake up in the morning, I'm gonna turn this on you. For real. Bam. Now it's like being in the spotlight while you're sleeping.
Or maybe this room was used for other things.
What? Oh, that's the network thing. That's a fire alarm.
I think when you turn the heat up there.
Yeah, I seen a movie once where like people take the pictures down and they
There's
like
cameras behind them.
and they like draw their own design on the back of the picture and then put it back up. You ever seen that though?
No.
I forget what I seen it on. It might have been a TV series. I don't know, but I seen it because I was like, really? I wonder if that's really true.
This is the Cherokee room. So over
Yeah.
here's some Indians on horses.
Yeah, so I was
And
like,
in that, I think it's supposed to be some Indians.
they call it, I guess the Cherokee room because we're from Kentucky. That's what it was.
Maybe.
It says like they'll enjoy a little bit of Western.
And see? Decorative tiles. Where's the tiles?
It says we're designed and crafted by Cherokee
Artisans.
artisans. It's artisans. Oh my gosh. Way to go for sounding proper on that. That's artisans. I don't care what you say.
Maybe it's these, the little tiles.
You think that was? You think that?
Maybe it's the little center.
What do y'all think? Was that the part that was made by the artisans or the artisans? Amanda says it's artisans. Artisans. These tiles, we was in a room, the tiles were made by artisans. It's artisans. Oh my gosh, we have such fun. But so we ain't gonna pretend like we're proper. We're not. We just have fun. Ain't no sense in being serious all the time. Just goof off.
Check it out, they got this robot.
Yeah, because I told you that's what we should do with that big TV.
That looks pretty sweet.
I know. So you ready to do it now?
Yes.
Yeah. Why? Because I came up with the idea, and now you seen
Because-
somebody else done it, and you're like, oh yeah,
It really lights the
that's
place
what I was
up.
going to do. You want me to put in the can lights?
Yeah, but we can still put that at the top of the trim.
Get with modern times, woman. Everybody's using rope lights now. It's cheaper. And they're not as hard to
It was
install.
your idea to do the
A
kids.
5-year-old could drag out a set of Christmas lights. That's how that was invented. A 5-year-old got the Christmas lights out of the attic, and then while mom and dad was sleeping, and then they woke up and they were stretched across the back of the couch, behind the couch, and,
And
it
they
looked
were
like,
like,
and it was
"Whoa,
like a little
that's
accent
so
lighting,
cool."
and they're like, "Wow, that's so awesome!" So before you know it, we got LED rope lights now for backstage lighting. Or as you'd call it, the artisans come up with it. It's probably the artisans that
We're
came
not
up
allowed to
with it.
vape in here, so I'm gonna vape in the shirt.
Oh my God. The room rate just went up by $500. No, guys, we're going to chill out for a little bit, grab some showers. We're going to bed. We got I think we got 14 hours tomorrow. So, hey, we'll catch up with y'all in the morning. All right? All right. See ya.